So hello guys, welcome back to the channel ERY, and in this video what we'll be talking about is last time we talked about storyline, right, and I guess like there wasn't any comment, so we'll move on to the next part, and that is the roadblocks. Okay, roadblocks. And what do I mean by roadblocks? Okay, so yes, roadblocks. Roadblocks is, what do I mean by, is like suppose there is a weekly to weekly, right, and it is a concept in storyline, but I will be telling you all guys why, which roadblock to take and which roadblock to not take. Okay, so as there was this daily or this h4 rated break, you remember there was price going to the daily and then it break again or something, like it kind of moved downward, it take some other daily and then went upside, right? The goal was over here. So this is called the roadblock. Okay, it moved from here to here and then went upside. So I'll tell you something. Let's suppose it's a weekly. Let's go to the downside if we can find some trades or not. Okay, let's suppose this thing over here, this trade, weekly, right? So where will it go? It's already used, right? In this weekly there is no candle, right? It's already rejected. So which is the new one or the fresh? This one. So the goal is to reach over here, right? Now we'll go h4, cost to time frame below, right? So the candle which formed before breaking this thing was this, right? This candle break. So as soon as it breaks, we went for the sells, like as it comes back over here, right? But the thing is, I'll go daily and you can see, right, there was this rejection over here, this rejection over here, right? And it went upside. Now did it break upside? Yes, in this case it did break upside. So now what will you do? For the weekly it is going for the sell, but for the daily it is going for the buy. What will you do? That is the whole thing, right, over here, and that's the confusion for everyone else, right? So for me, what I'll do personally is I'll look for level if on the higher time frame it aligns with other levels. What do I mean by that? Let's suppose this is h4 break upside right here. So this is the daily level where it can touch and then h4 can directly break or something, give entry, right? So similarly what will happen is daily and thus touch and then go down for the sells. But in this case, where are those levels? This level, everything, right? You have to align this with a high time frame, either weekly, either daily, or something else. But in this case there was this daily level, right? So what happened in this case? It took this level, irrespective of daily, went for the buys. Still it worked, right? Most of the people don't even know this thing, okay, that even though there are some levels that weekly took the sells but daily roadblocked it, and they'll be like, oh, when the price touches over here we look for another sell. No, that's gonna just drop. Okay, this is drops, it drops. Okay, so remember, never. Similarly, let's go h4 rejected. In this case again it came back upside over here, it rejected over here, you can see, right, over here. So what is this candle? It's like 16th. Let's go h4, 16th h4. Now what is it? 16th. Okay, after 16th, right? Oh, this one. Oh, 16th. Oh, this thing, sorry. Okay, after 16. Okay, weekly, right? I remember, forgot. Sorry. Yeah, see, in this case it broke this one. There are two, this level or either this level, only two, right? So it touched it and then went down. I'm like, good, great. It's not that it went very, it was already in the buys. In this case it rejected from here, it happened, this one broke, right? So you might ask me like, wow, why did it went upside? Yeah, because I'll say h4, right? H4 is this, only this area. Now is there any high time frame alignment with the h4? There wasn't till this it become, okay. So what will happen is as soon as we go upside over here, somewhere over here, going for the buys. So rather than doing or going for the sells, you'll be looking for the buys. Why? Because weekly touched, good, down, then again daily touched, it broke. Now for weekly to hold sells first, it need to have, or H4 levels needs to have some higher time frame alignment. So in this case, which there wasn't, so what happened, it price came back over here and then it continued upside. Now what, weekly, let's go weekly. This is how roadblock works. Okay, even though it is weekly, right, or weekly, right, even though H4 break and then it is going upside, daily can touch it, and then after touching that it can break downside. But now which level it's gonna hold, it depends on higher time frame alignment. Whichever the price touches, it goes upside. If there is no higher time frame alignment, you'll keep going on the sells. Okay, so just keep selling over here. And so that's it for the video, and see you next time. Bye.